wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we from Group A will discuss material regarding intellectual property rights, which will be delivered by me and my friend, including myself, Sri Suryanti, Eka Susanti, Riwa Friandinata, and Satria Megi Sanjaya. For the first material, it will be delivered by Sri Suryanti, and for the next slide, the material will be delivered by Satria Megi Sanjaya, and for the next slide, the material will be delivered by Riwa Friandinata. And for the next and final slide, it will be delivered by my friend Eka Susanti. What are intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights, or what are usually called are rights obtained from the result of human thought to be able to produce a product, service, or process that is useful for society, so it can be concluded that intellectual property rights are the right to economically enjoy the result of intellectual creativity. Object regulated in intellectual property are works produced by human intellectual abilities. Next, the term intellectual property rights is different from intellectual property rights (IPR), which is regulated in Law Number 7 of 1997 concerning WTO ratification. Next, function and purpose of intellectual property rights. 1. As legal protection for individual or group creators for their hard work in creating creative work with the economic value contained therein. 2. Anticipate and also present violation of other people's intellectual property rights. 3. Increase competition, especially in terms of commercialization of intellectual property, because the extension of intellectual property rights will encourage creators to continue working and innovating and can get appreciation from the public. 4. Can be assessed as consideration for determining research strategies and industrial in Indonesia.
Scope of intellectual property right. Copyright protection has two different scope. 1. Economy right. Right that have a direct relationship and impact on the company economy, such as procurement rights, distribution right, broadcasting right, performance rights, and also public borrowing rights. 2. Rights to creation. Right that refer directly to the subject of the creation, such as computer program, book, photography, database, and other. Legal basic regarding intellectual property right. 1. Law number 19/202 is replaced by law number 28 regarding copyright. Contains about copyright, creator, copyright protection, and also protect work. 2. Law number 4 of 2001 concerning patents. Contains information about investor and patent holder. 3. Law number 15 of 201 concerning mark. Contains brands, trademarks, service mark, collective mark, and the period of protection for the brands. 4. Law number 31 of 200 concerning industrial design. Contains industrial design of the period of protection. 5. Law number 32 concerning integrated circuit layout design. Contain layout design and integrated circuit. 6. Law number 30 concerning trade secret. Contains the trade secret, the scope of trade secret, and also protection of trade secret. Principle of intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights have four principles that have been implemented since the beginning, namely 1. Economic principle. Intellectual property rights have benefit and economic value that can provide benefit to copyright owner. 2. Cultural principle. Intellectual property rights increase cultural development both from science and other aspect and improve and standard of living for society. 3. Principle of justice. Intellectual property rights have the power to exercise right over the copyright work and cannot be exploited without permission from the copyright owner. 4. Social principle. Intellectual property rights are integrated by considering the balance between and the interests of individual and the wider community.
Types of intellectual property rights. Broadly speaks, intellectual property rights are divided into two types, namely copyright and industrial property rights. Following are my deadline details. 1. Copyrights. Copyright is given specifically to creators and they have the exclusive right to publish or reproduce the result of their creators. The copyright in question is within the scope of the fields of science, arts, and literature. 2. In industry property rights. Industry property rights are rights to protect a company from various types of plagiarism in can also regulate everything in the industrial environment. The following are the types of property. Uh, Partners. Partners are exclusive rights given to people or group who success in solving creating problems with a technology. Brand. A brand is signed in the form of the image and namely a name consisting of words, letters, and numbers, which is intended to be a different to differentiator in product or service trending activities. Types of intellectual property rights. Industrial design. Industrial design is a work of art regarding shapes, color, composition, and lines that give an impression to goods. Intricate circuit let you design a intricate circuit, a finished or semi-finished product in which there are many intricate forming elements to product electronic foundation. Funfaction. Trade secrets. The trade secrets are information related to technology or business and have economic value, but you do not need to be known by the public. Your geographical individual direct to protect a product of service that indexes the region of origin of a good of service. Symbols relate to intellectual property rights. 1. Trademark. TM. The TM symbol means the tag product a brand currently in the ownership appreciation product. 2. Registered mark R. The R symbols incident that the product has been registered with legal intellectual property rights. 3. Server mark. The SM symbol is used to mark creating sound on, for example, unique sound in a film. For copyright, the symbol C means to show copyright ownership. So, if you want to publish it, you need to start the copyright owner.
Symbols relate to intellectual property rights. Currently, to be able to find out works that have registered intellectual property rights. Symbols have been created certain products which are used to make it easier for the public to know about the intellectual property rights of a product. The role of intellectual property rights. 1. As a tool for trade competition, especially for developed countries so that they can maintain their position of dominating the international market with their goals. 2. A tool to encourage progress in science and technology with new innovation that can be industrial. And 3. A tool improve the economic welfare of the community, especially researchers whose findings are industrials and can receive rewards in the form of royalties. Okay, that's all the presentation from Group A regarding intellectual property rights. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.